he's face-to-face with a man with even more experience and even higher in-ring IQ and even less morals when it comes to bending the rules.
Oh, man.
Drop kick hits the mark. Hooked up. DDT.
Orton to the top.
From the top. Double axe handle connects.
Randy Orton has been at this for almost 2 decades, and he's still in his prime. He still has the deadliest move in all of WWE, the RKO.
And the Legend Killer needs to keep his head on a swivel when it comes to Seth Rollins. The Kingslayer has such a versatile set of moves, and Orton needs to know the perfect moment to catch Rollins in an RKO out of nowhere.
He got whipped into that corner.
To the arm, hyperextend your elbow. The Apex Predator showing no concern for his opponent.
This isn't the smartest thing to do, antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him.
Split-bladed by Rollins. Claws piercing into the skin. Look, the most intelligent competitor in a battle knows that there are many roads to victory, including the low.
Sent hard to the outside.
This superstar picking up speed. Wrecking ball drop kick through the ropes. That was coming in hot at breakneck speed. Going fast and living dangerously.
Now he's been put on the defensive. And now gets tossed into the ring. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
Bang, nice contact there.
Makes him pay with a counter. Set up in the corner of the ring. This could be big. Going up high.
He's begging him to get up so he can put him back down. Incoming! Crash landing. Orton so evasive.
Neck breaker.
Oh, clothesline. And clothesline. Getting sucked. Pulls their opponent in.
Belly to belly. He's absorbing some tough hits now.
That's just Orton doing what he does best and letting him know he's not going anywhere. Oh, yeah, clothesline to follow.
Randy Orton showing no mercy.
And Orton's turned the match in his favor.
There he goes, right into the corner. Orton able to counter.
There's some power behind that punch. Rolling elbow right on the mark.
Answers back on Orton.
Oh, caught him. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We're gonna end this emphatically. What a pedigree.
Off into the pin. 2. Sethrollins gets a huge win tonight.
Here is your winner, and Mr. Money in the Bank, Seth freaking Rollins!
The Apex Predator just been removed from the food chain thanks to Seth freaking Rollins. A big clash between the Legend Killer and the Kingslayer.